So for the yellow, make sure my palette knife is nice and clean. I'm gonna grab some of my cadmium yellow medium and some of my burnt sienna. I'm just making a little pile here. This is going to be our dark that's in there. Okay, so I'm going to grab my number 4 again, some Galkit on it. And I'm going to come back here. I'm just kind of making the dark, so I might pull in a little bit of this color too. Grab some of my yellow. And I'm just kind of dabbling around there. So it just gently blends in. Okay. I need to pick up another color. You know, if you see another color in there that you see, you go ahead right on and add that in there. We all see colors just a little bit differently. That's why it's so important to continue to play with color. Just don't take a formula and run with it, because that formula is somebody else's formula. That's what makes it theirs. Whereas you can create your own because you see things differently. And that's pretty cool.